be integrated in the immersive space to make the learning more better even? Give some
Yeah.
examples.
Sure, several ways. So one, for example, there are several apps right now that use AI to help you develop VR experiences to create, you can type, please give me a 360 degrees picture of, pleasant afternoon at the beach with a table with whatever you want there, and then it will create a 360 image for you. For example, it can help you create 3D models. It can help you on the coding for developing VR experience. You can ask ChatGPT to create a VR script for you. So if you want to develop, a story to help you learn, let's talk about I don't know, birds, and then it can just write a script of what would be an interesting VR experience. um, Also in the VR experience, there are some companies, for example Engage already has it. They have you can embed ChatGPT or other generative AI, text and speech based, in the VR experience, so you can interact with an avatar that will answer your questions based on generative AI content, for example. So many ways that generative AI and AI in